Thank you to the core group who has helped me to be the kind of player that I became, and for the 19 years. To the fans, to the ones who are thinking that I should retire, I hope it makes you happy. To the ones who think that I shouldn't have and I did well, thank you. Because of your love and affection, I've reached 19 years. Make sure you understand that you're a part of it. Yeah, one last game against Kuwait. For all our sakes, let's do a good game, let's win the game, and we can depart.
It's Sunil Chhetri. Chhetri making space. Still going Chhetri. Unselfishly sets it for Danta. Cross comes in. Chhetri. And wins again. Well, this time he will celebrate. তিনি উঠে পড়েছেন বক্সের ভেতর ক্রস টেইন করেছেন সুনীল ছেত্রী ক্যাপ্টেন ফ্যান্টাস্টিক আর কিন্তু জেনারেট করেছেন বিপদ হতে পারে বাংলাদেশের জন্য সুনীল ছেত্রী এবং